Today, we're going to calculate a full Jamaican payslip together. Grab a calculator if you can. By the end of this video, your payslip should no longer confuse you. Let's start with a relatable example. Monthly salary of $200,000. No pension contribution. First deduction, NIS. 3% of $200,000. Pause here and calculate. That should be $6,000. NIS is tax deductible. Next, education tax. It is calculated after NIS. So we use $194,000. Pause and calculate 2.25% of $194,000. That equals $4,365. Now income tax. The annual threshold is $1,799,376. For monthly persons, that would be $1,799,376 divided by 12, which equals $149,948. Only income above $149,948 monthly is taxed. Now, $194,000 minus $149,948 equal $44,052. Pause and calculate 25% of $44,052. That equals approximately $11,013. Now NHT, 2% of gross salary. Pause and calculate. That equals $4,000. If your salary is $200,000 with no pension contribution, this is what your payslip would look like, focusing only on core statutory deductions. Other deductions may apply in real life. Now, let's assume this person contributes 5% to an approved pension scheme. Pause and calculate 5% of $200,000. That equals $10,000. Now, $200,000 minus NIS $6,000 minus pension $10,000 equals $184,000. Education tax $184,000 times 2.25% equals $4,140. The taxable portion, $184,000 minus $149,948 equals $34,052. Income tax, $34,052 times 25% equals $8,513. NHT remains $4,000. Notice the difference in income tax? This is why two people earning the same salary can take home different amounts. Let's look at someone taking home $120,000 monthly, which is below the current tax threshold. The contributions will be as below. NIS, $120,000 times 3% equals $3,600. The adjusted salary, $120,000 minus $3,600 equals $116,400. Education tax would be $116,400 times 2.25%, which equals $2,619. Income tax would be $0. NHT, $120,000 times 2% equals $2,400. This person pays no income tax, but still contributes to NIS, education tax, and NHT. For individuals earning over $6 million annually, A higher 30% income tax rate applies to the excess amount. Once you understand the structure, your payslip becomes predictable, and predictable means powerful. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.